Hey guys, it's Blake Holbrooks with MarineMax on Lake Wylie. Today we're out on the water checking out Yamaha's 2025 AR220. So starting up here in the bow, you can see, I can take a lounge back so you can really see how spacious this bow is for a 22-foot boat. You can probably comfortably fit 4 people up here. You do have storage underneath each of these seats up here. And you do have bow filler cushions to put in these notches here and make this a full sun pad if you want to lay out on it. Makes it super comfortable up here. Also up here at the front of this boat, nice feature is that front bow ladder and dedicated anchor storage. So that anchor's not taking up any storage on board, and you've got that ladder to where you can jump off either the front or the back of the boat and have a convenient way to get back on board. Cool feature is that if you pop this seat up, and same applies to the one I'm sitting on here, that it does make kind of a stepping stone platform for climbing on board the boat from the bow if you're using that ladder. Pretty cool up here. Got backrest on either side as well as cup holders. Make sure everybody up here is comfortable. Huge storage compartment on board your 220 here is going to be your ski locker. So that slides up front a little bit. You can fit full skis, tubes, any kind of toys you're going to have out on the water. You're going to be able to fit down in there. You'll notice that this flooring throughout the boat is held in with some snaps. Underneath, it'll expose a non-skid. Makes it super easy to clean. If you want to have the floor in there, you can. Plus, you've got the option of not. You've got storage on either side at the walkway here. You got a nice compartment with a hideaway trash can here on the port side. Be able to fit all of your equipment on there, no problem. Moving on back behind the windshield a little bit, over here on the port side, you can see we've got this foam non-skid, and this is actually a wireless charger right there. So if you place your phone there, that'll charge up for anybody riding. Cup holder there, as well as here at the helm. So over here at the helm, you can see we've got cell phone holder and wireless charger on there for the captain, and then the Yamaha Connect screen as well. So that's going to be where you control all of your engine management stuff. Got a couple of traditional switches on board, and then your stereo head unit is going to be right there to the right of your ignition switches. The AR220 does have this single lounger on the port side here, so you can fit several people, or if somebody wants to lounge out, they can stretch out here, no problem. One of my favorite features on board here is the hidden glove box behind the backrest. You can fit plenty of stuff in there, but it's a good spot to keep your wallet, phone, keys, anything that you're definitely not wanting to lose and want to keep dry while you're out on the water. It's a good spot for it. Then over here, you do have the full swivel captain's chair with the booster. You knock this to the side, and you can spin that around and have it lock in place. We're getting shade from our canopy on top of our sport tower here. You can bust this loose and it'll fold down to right above the windshield. And then this bimini will also boot up if you wanted to ride with it, not have as much shade in the cockpit while you're out on the water. More storage in the back of the cockpit here. Got a compartment there. And then on the port side, you've got your battery switches with another compartment. This is a dedicated cooler storage spot, so you've got the non-skid. It's not part of the snap-in flooring. It keeps the cooler in place. And then right beneath these 2 big seats in the back is where Yamaha puts your twin TR1 3-cylinder motors. So you get the benefit of having twin motors on this 22-footer. It makes overall maneuverability super easy. Plus, you still got plenty of power behind you to go fast when you want to. If you guys have any questions about this boat or anything else we offer here at MarineMax on Lake Wylie, you can give me a call at 803-610-7828, and that's me, Blake Holbrooks.